Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create logo in ChatGPT. So let's started. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see. Open the Chrome browser. Now we show the new interface. Now we select from search bar. Now search bar click. Now type from ChatGPT. Now open the ChatGPT. Now click from ChatGPT. That it's now you can see open ChatGPT and search bar from logo from your edit prompt. Now choose from keyboard press create professional logo. About double quotation and the logo name in the middle point. This logo name in the Arif official and again double quotation. Now click from send prompt. Now click. Now send prompt in the creating logo. Now wait for some moment. That it's now you can see. Now create the professional logo. Just wow. That it's now you can see create logo in ChatGPT is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.